Welcome, HUAWEI Honor 7S, and today I'll show you how to remove the Google protection. So, as you can see, I'm connected to Wi-Fi, and I'll also proceed further on. So you can see that I am on a locked device, and you want to do the same thing basically. So get to the verification screen, and as you can see, I have right here option to verify it either using a pattern, or next page will be using Google account. So I'm gonna click on the account. So you can clearly see that one is a pattern and the other one is just a email. There we go. So to get started with the bypass, you want to get to this page right here, and from here simply back out. This will bring up the Google services, so scroll all the way down, tap on accept, and it will take you to HUAWEI ID. So from here, select later. Data transfer, you don't want to transfer any data, so tap on skip and set up as new. Cool. And then we have device protection. So this is where the process will begin. So set password, and I'm gonna go with I'm gonna choose PIN, because as you've seen, the previous one that we could basically unlock it instead of using Google account, we could have used pattern, but assuming we don't know it, we're gonna set up a PIN just so it's completely different looking from what it was before. So now I'm gonna set 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can set it to whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. From there, tap on next and confirm it again. So again, I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3, 4 to confirm that. Okay, and from here, once you set it up, go back. So you want to back out, back out, back out. There we go. And again, let's set up as new. And as you see right away, instead of a pattern, I can now verify it via PIN. Now what it did is basically overrid the previous protection, which was a pattern, with the one that we have set right now. It only can keep one of them. So from here, simply type in your PIN that you have set. So for me, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap on next, and bam, we're unlocked. Now I would still advise you to perform a reset of the device through settings. So basically what you want to do is finish up the setup by skipping as much as you can, or as much as you are allowed. And let's gonna quickly get through this. So skip, get started, and there we go. We're now on the home screen, hopefully. There we go. And what you want to do is go into settings. From here, scroll down to system, and then reset options, and choose factory data reset. Now, as you can see, it gives you a message that will remove a bunch of different things, but primarily what we're interested in is the idea of it removing Google account. So even though it doesn't actually provide us with any account here, as it usually should, it will still remove the account that was blocking us, because it is still on the device itself. So let's tap on reset phone. Again, we need to confirm the PIN that we have set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And erase everything, and now the process will begin. Now I'll say that right now, and this will take a couple minutes, probably like 10 minutes or so. So just brace yourself for this. Once the process is finished, we should be then back in the setup screen, at which point the device is basically fully unlocked, so you can skip logging into your Wi-Fi if you want to, and you don't need to do any kind of trickery. Just set up the devices however you like. Now I'll be back once it's actually finished, because, well, this, like I said, will take a while. So see you at the end. And as you can see, the process is finished. So from here we can go through the setup as we would normally do. I'm gonna skip most of the things that I can, just to save a little bit on time, but you will see right away I can skip connecting to Wi-Fi. Which in turn will basically skip the Google login page and basically everything else. So just quickly get through this. And there we go. So that is how you would bypass the Google verification on the Honor 7S. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.